Hello, today I want to talk to you about how to make money with Clickbank and specifically how to use free traffic to make money with Clickbank through affiliate marketing. So here I am inside my Clickbank account. The great thing about Clickbank is once you have an account set up, you're pretty much automatically approved to promote almost any of the products on Clickbank. There are a few that you do have to get vendor approval for, but those are rare. And Clickbank, the other nice thing is they offer products in lots of different categories, as you can see on this left-hand side here. And then these get broken down even more specifically, so like health and fitness, maybe you want to promote dietary supplements, diets, exercise, etc. So lots and lots of options. So how do we make money with a Clickbank? Promoting Clickbank products, and specifically, how do we make money using free traffic? Well, let me pull up the sales process and just go over that with you. Sales process to make money online is actually very simple. You need a traffic source. Today we're talking about YouTube as our free traffic source. And we're going to send that traffic over through our Clickbank affiliate link. When they click on that link, they're going to go to that Clickbank product sales page. And if they decide to make a purchase, then you earn a commission. And so that's how it works. Very simple. YouTube is a great free traffic source. Okay, YouTube is really awesome for a couple of reasons. I mean, one, it's just, huge, obviously. Tons of people go to YouTube either to find out how to do things or to be entertained. So we're going to mostly be creating videos that show people how to do things. So they may want to come in and learn how to lose weight. Now that's a super broad term, so you'd want to get more specific in your keyword approach, but that's the type of thing they're coming to find to learn how to do. And so it can be a great free traffic source. You can actually do very, very well making affiliate commissions from YouTube, and that tends to be the largest source of income for people, but you can also get your YouTube channel monetized. So once you hit 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and 4,000 hours of watch time, then your channel can be eligible to be monetized with YouTube ads. Those, as you know, are the ads that you see before a video starts playing or that will pop up throughout the video. And so now you can have your YouTube channel monetized in two different ways. One, through linking to affiliate products, and secondly, through the AdSense revenue. The AdSense revenue, can be anywhere from several $100s a month up to several $1,000s a month, and it can be a really nice side of income that you're earning without having to do anything else. You're already making YouTube videos for your affiliate marketing process here, and so why not also get some nice additional side income through getting your channel monetized? There's a great course that I use that I'll leave a link in the description box below that shows you how to monetize your YouTube channels very quickly and also how to really maximize YouTube for affiliate marketing. So now that you have your traffic source, you need to select your product, get your affiliate link, and then that is how the process will continue. So in this video, the example I'm going to use is we're going to use something. I just recently started a health and fitness YouTube channel. Here we go, health and fitness tips. And you can see it's the channel, I put my first video up about a month ago. And so in the past month, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. And the videos are, doing very well. And this is through that quick monetization method that you'll learn about if you check the link in the description box below about how to do that. But we're going to use this channel since it's a new one. I have several other channels that I promote and that are monetized, but this one isn't quite monetized yet. And so I'm making videos, I'm getting my watch time, I'm getting my subscribers. So I'm going to use, for an example, this is my latest video that I just put up not even 24 hours ago, 10 foods to boost your immune system. And the beauty of this is these are faceless videos, okay? You do not see my face in this video. These are just using stock images and text, so people can read along. There's background music, you can use voiceovers, etc. But you don't have to show your face, and these can be very, very these type of channels can do very, very well. Some of the biggest channels on YouTube use this faceless video approach, okay? And then down below, you would put your link to the ClickBank product that you're trying to promote. Now, since this channel is in the process of being monetized, I don't want to necessarily put my affiliate links yet. I will go back and add those once the channel is monetized. So, how am I making these faceless videos? Well, I first decide what I want my topic to be, and my topic is going to be based off of the ClickBank product or products that I have in mind to promote. So once I have that in mind, and then I know the topic for the video, I'll go to a website that I use called bigproductstore.com. This is a private label rights PLR website. They have a ton, over 10,000 PLR products in different types of categories. Article contents, ebooks, videos, audios. I mostly use ebooks. This is is a PLR website that is well worth it. And so I'll leave a link for it down below. But essentially, once you have are in here, then you can go through, and my most recent video I just did is about the immune system. And so this is the one. They just put this on the site in December of 2021. They have an ebook. They also have a video book. I download the ebook, and then I'm going to turn that ebook into a video. Now, in this ebook, they actually talk about 20 different foods to help boost your immune system, but that made the video way too long. And so I only used 10 of them. But guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to come back in and make it a second video that talks about 10 additional foods, right? So from this one ebook, I'll get 2 videos out of it. But I download the ebook, and then once I have the ebook available, I go to a website called Pictory. Pictory allows you to make videos many different ways, okay? So I'll let you go and see all about it. They actually have 4 different ways that you can make videos. This is the one I use almost exclusively, script to video, because that's where I'm going to take my script, which is the ebook text, and we're going to convert that into a video. And so you come in here and you just, now I am, this is where you would paste the text from the ebook, okay? And they have a character count on the bottom right here. You usually want to keep that around 10,000 or less characters to keep the video at a reasonable length. That'll make it about an 8 to 10 minute video. I am going to just type in, okay, but this is where you would paste your text, okay? And once you have your text all pasted in, you just hit proceed, choose the layout style. Now these are YouTube videos, so you want 16:9 landscape, and then it's going to find video clips that correlate with your text, okay? Now, you have that ebook text, it would basically take each sentence and make it its own scene. Okay, so Pictory would parse all that out, and so you'd have a list of scenes over here. Well, actually, let's do this. Let me go, and I can pull up, because here is, well, let me go to my projects. Let me find, yeah, this is the video I made, my immune system video. So that way you can actually see what's going on. So here's all the scenes, okay, over here on the left-hand side. And so this is where you can see each of the scenes. And then the other thing that you'll be able to see is on the right-hand side, you can see all these scenes on the left are also down below this main video, okay? And so on the left-hand side, this is your main menu. So your story scenes are what we're looking at right now. Then you can go to visuals, and you can choose. Maybe you don't like this video, so you can search by keyword, select another video, and it'll just automatically replace it. And then you can just, do that for each of the scenes. You can go through and replace them. You can edit your text. You can move your text around. You can change the background, the font, the size, all of that. Audio, you can add a voiceover. Now, they do have built-in AI voices. If you're trying to get monetized for AdSense, you probably don't want to use an AI voice. You probably want to use either your own voiceover or pay somebody maybe on Fiverr to do a voiceover. You can upload the voiceover. It'll sync it actually very nicely to each of the scenes. And then you certainly can add background music as well. They have over 15,000 tracks. Next, you can decide what style, how you want your video to look, and then lastly, how you want to format it. So you can change the layout, and then you can make it either output in 720 or 1080p. Once you've done that, then it does auto-save the video as you go along, but when you're ready to generate, just hit generate video and it'll generate that video. Once you have that video file downloaded, then you just go into your YouTube account, upload the video, make a nice thumbnail that will catch people's attention, and you can do that. I use a software called Thumbnail Blaster. You can also make free thumbnails in Canva. So some of these I've made in Thumbnail Blaster, some I've made in Canva. I try to just mix it up, and there you go. And then again, if you get the course that is in my description link below that shows you how to quickly monetize your YouTube channel and how to also maximize it for affiliate marketing, you'll learn how to start really ramping up your subscribers and your views and your watch time. But here is that video that I just showed you in Pictory. And again, it is a faceless video, just with text, background music. Sometimes I do a voiceover with these videos and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just let people read through them. But again, these can be really, really popular. Now again, once this video is monetized, then in the description box, what you'll want to do is put in your affiliate link. And if we go back and we look at this channel, you can see I've been making videos based on Clickbank products that I know I'm going to be putting my affiliate link into the description box. Clickbank has some really, really good keto products. So I've got 3 different keto diet videos already. I have a paleo diet video, so there'll be some a product for that. There's some good juicing products. Smoothie diet is a juicing product that'll go with this one. This is kind of about building confidence, and so obviously things that address shyness and anxiety, etc., can work with that video. And then I need to find one for the immune system. So it's basically the overview. So just to recap, we're going to use YouTube as a free traffic YouTube source. We're going to get our channel monetized quickly. See the link below on how to do that. And that way we can earn some AdSense, as well as we can direct people through our Clickbank affiliate link to the product sales page for that Clickbank product. And when they choose to make a purchase, then you will earn a commission. So I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future videos. And thanks so much for watching.